Today we gonna learn some names of birds. This is cock. This is cock, also known as rooster. This is quail. This is quail. Quail has very sweet voice. Kids, do you know which bird is this? Yes, this is a hen. This is a hen. A hen lays eggs and which is eaten by throughout the world. Kids, this is a tailor bird. This is a tailor bird. Tailor birds are known for constructing beautiful nests. Do you know which bird is this? Yes, this is cockatoo. This is cockatoo. A cockatoo can make sounds of other animals and also humans. This is nightingale. This is nightingale. Nightingales are able to produce over 1,000 different sounds. So kids, this is nightingale. This is canary. This is canary. Canaries are best known for their vibrant feathers and beautiful songs. So kids, this is canary.